All right, in news coming in right now, Mumbai Police has now filed a charge sheet in a court in the alleged TRP rigging scam in which Republic TV has been named. And sources say that officials from Republic TV have been questioned in the case. The network's distribution head, Ghanshyam Singh, was also arrested, if you'll remember. Ghanshyam Singh, who heads a distribution in the channel run by anchor Arnab Goswami, was the 12th accused to be taken into custody by the Mumbai Police in connection with the case over alleged manipulation of television ratings points, or the TRP. Now, Singh was arrested earlier this month and the charge sheet was submitted before the magistrate's court by the police's Crime Intelligence Unit, or the CIU as it's called, which is conducting a probe in the matter. Saurabh Gupta joins us for more on this. Saurabh, any more details on what exactly is it that the charge sheet holds?
Well, very sketchy details at this point, not much details on exact contents of the charge sheet, but we should be able to gather some details by later part of the day. But as of now, what we know is that, this charge sheet has been filed, and it's been a case that's been in the news for a variety of reasons. Firstly, I remember when the investigation started, when the FIR was filed, and of course post that when, sort of the case came into the limelight, it was because the police commissioner himself, Mr. Parambir Singh, who held a press conference and announced that, they had, of course, been investigating this, and since then it's become to be known as the TRP scam case. It's seen a lot of focus, a lot of media attention, given the fact that it involves also a lot of, the fact that it has to do with TRPs, television rating points, is something that's also led to the fact that this case has been in the news. It's been in the focus. There have been petitions. It's been through the courts in some form or the other. But at this point, it's a step in the legal process, given the fact that the charge sheet has been filed, which means that the police have investigated, they've gathered evidence, and they feel that this is a case that's now ready for prosecution. Now what happens, the next thing in the legal process, is that the court takes cognizance of the charge sheet, and the charges are framed against whoever the charge sheet has been filed. Now remember, Republic TV was definitely an accused in this, though exactly who are the officials who all have been named are details that we are still waiting for.